Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to replace one of the male threaded fixed pattern nozzles on our sprinklers. We have a few different tiers of sprinklers that both use these nozzles. You can see the difference in these two. This one's a 4-inch pop-up with kind of a thinner lid. This one's got a bit thicker lid, but it's only a 2-inch pop-up. They both use the same kind of nozzles, which is the male threaded ones. A good way to identify that is by looking at the washer, by just pulling up the, opening this and pulling the sprinkler out, taking a look at the nozzle. If the nozzle's really only about 1/2 inch tall, that's one of our male threaded nozzles. Our female threaded nozzles are more like 1 inch. Another way to tell is by the washer. These white washers here have a little bit more room in them to accommodate the screw here on the bottom. So as I've already gotten started, you can see how easy it is to replace these. You basically are just removing the lid, pulling out the stem, and just push down the wiper seal, twist off the old nozzle. This one's a full pattern. Let's say we wanted to change it to this quarter pattern here. Twist that back on there. Make sure it's seated right. Should go on well. All right, now that that's on, you know that it comes out right here. You can see the lines that are going vertically out the front. That's where the spray is going to come out, is between those two, or those lines there. So I want to place this back in the sprinkler facing the direction that I want it to spray. Once that's back in, just replace the lid, and I'm good to go. So the same thing would be applicable for the half pattern. You can see that the pattern marks go halfway around, and the full pattern, they go all the way around, except for the writing, of course. But anyway, if you have any questions about this product, let us know in the comments below, and we'd be happy to answer those. Thanks.